1 to 10, well, the difficulty is 2.
Okay. Where are you, Beb?
We're in Point Dume Malibu Beach. We're gonna
This
go.
Malibu?
Yes. We're gonna hike.
It's gonna be a wedding.
Oh, we'll go and eat there later.
Like for lunch, okay. Perfect. Wall climbing,
We'll climb.
Rappelling.
I'll do that too.
rappelling. Yeah, we'll try that later before lunch.
No dogs allowed. What is this? Hi, seals. Guys, Malibu.
Bebs. Yeah.
We're in Malibu.
I think it's Hawaii, no?
Oh, I thought it was
Remember?
Boracay, no?
Ano? Okay, Beb, so how's the trail? 1 to 10.
1 to 10, well, the difficulty is 2.
Okay.
There are some parts that are maybe 5.
2, but you didn't want to do the interview over there
No.
because
Because I might fly. The wind might blow me.
Okay, so we're going back to the car
Yes.
and then we're gonna
And
chill
we'll just go chill.
at the beach.
See, this is the number 5 part. It's kind of hard. Because of the sand. Oh, now it's easy. Number 2 again.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Time
Relaxing
to chill by the beach.
by the beach.
Yes.
Where's your food? Where's your drink?
Oh, I have my water here. With ice.
Chillax. Chillax.
Relax time.
Look at our chairs. Fancy. Fancy chairs. Yes.
Alright. We're leaving, guys.
Oh.
Time to go back to Sun Valley.
Oh.
Okay?
How was it?
It was fun. It was nice to relax by the beach with the birds and the sand and the sun.
Mostly the sun. Mostly the sun for
Yeah,
me.
mostly the sun.
My shoulders are starting to hurt.
Oh, sunburn. Let me drink water first. Okay. Bye, guys.